Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur video background like on the DSLR effects in Android phone. So in here, I'm going to use CapCut to blur the video background. So first you can just add your videos into CapCut like this. Now you can click on a video and duplicate it. So just swipe until you find this duplicate option. Now click on one of the video and make it as overlay. So tap on this overlay button. Now let's remove the background of the second video or the overlay. Click on the video and go to the remove background, and I'm here going to just use the auto removal. Now wait for the auto removal effects to be applied to the video, and after it's done you can just click on a check icon. You can see the progress in here on this little circle right there, and here the background has been removed. Okay, now you can go back and tap on effects, video effects, and now find the blur effect that you can easily spot on the lens category. So scroll down, this one, blur. You can adjust it how you like it, but I'm going to make it natural, so I'm going to just set the amount of the blur to around 10 to 15. I'm going to go with 10. Okay, you can click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the duration. And then here, if it's still not right, you can here click on the effects and choose layer. Make sure that it's on the top. So this is the blurry video background. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.